Hey creator friends, welcome to the channel, and I am so excited. Aren't you excited?
Oh, I'm
Look
thrilled.
at him. He's so excited.
I'm driving.
I know. He has to pay attention, but which is good. Anyway, so I'm excited because last night I was talking to a friend of mine, Tammy, on the phone, and was messaging her, and she told me that she and Craig were canning ugly chicken, and then he tasted it. It's like the best thing ever. But anyway, she told me about a sale they're having at our local, I guess, chef store now. It used to call Cash and Carry. I called it that for years, so I forget. But anyway, 40-pound box of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and she said they're really nice pieces. And it's like 52, or I think the guy told me 55. Either way, it works out to like $1.37.5 a pound, which is such a good deal. So we're heading in. I'm going to get me maybe 3 boxes because that'll give us a nice amount of canned chicken on the shelves. And this guy is who's going to can it. He loves it. Anyway, so he's going to can it, but we got to pick it up and thaw it and all that stuff. So we'll get to that.
Ugly guy for ugly chicken.
Oh, stop. He's not an ugly guy. I think you're kind of cute. Well,
Yeah, you're stuck.
I'm stuck. 41 years. It's 41, right? Yeah. 41 years I am stuck. Anyway, I'm happy to be stuck. But we're going to do that. We're going to get the chicken, and then there's going to be a future video of Brian canning ugly chicken. And the coolest part about, I frankly think that pressure canning meat is my favorite canning thing, because you can add salt if you want, you can add broth if you want. I don't need to add either one of those because I just do the raw chicken, no salt, makes its own broth. It's awesome. So it's the easiest process. It's a one item, put it in there and you get it done. So, and it's so good. So we're heading out to do that, but I just want to let you guys know to keep an eye out for the canning of the chicken that's going to happen here as soon as we pick things up. This is just a teaser video for you. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.